The number of cases of pertussis, better known as whooping cough, continues to rise in Lane County. Health officials and local physicians are urging the public to get vaccinated, since whooping cough is highly contagious and extremely dangerous for young children. With pertussis spreading in Lane County, pediatricians at Eugene Pediatric Associates encourage families to be vigilant.
Pertussis causes initially symptoms that are very similar to a cold with a cough. Fits of coughing, often with a whooping inspiration for people to catch their breath.
The pertussis bacteria produces toxins that inflame the trachea or airway. This causes intense coughing that can last for months.
Coughing that bad can cause people to break ribs. It can cause pneumonia. The more dangerous thing for little kids is it can cause them to stop breathing.
While pertussis is highly contagious and extremely dangerous for younger children, Dr. Bradshaw says it is vaccine preventable. But according to the Lane County Department of Health and Human Services, vaccination rates have been declining statewide since the pandemic. Following pertussis outbreaks in 2012 and 2018, this latest spread of illness isn't surprising.
Pertussis is cyclical. We knew we were entering the risk window, and therefore we had an opportunity to try to prepare for it. But the pandemic got in the way, and it was hard for some people to be vaccinated.
Dr. Patrick Ludke, the Senior Public Health Officer for Lane County, says most people would benefit from getting a pertussis vaccine. Vaccination not only protects you, but also helps stop the illness from spreading through the community.
If you have a baby, 12 months or less of age, ensure that anyone who comes in contact with that baby is vaccinated. There's no shortage of vaccines. We want people to go out and get vaccinated, get their booster if they are eligible for one.
Learn more about whooping cough, the pertussis vaccine, and additional steps you can take to protect your family at eugenepeds.com/healthykids. I'm Kelly Warner.